Bowman's best. Is it the best of Bowman? Is it the worst of Bowman? I don't know. It has all of the products in here from Bowman to Bowman Chrome to Bowman Draft. Got all the players from all of those products. Dylan Cruz, Walker Jenkins, Leo Tavares, of course from Draft, Jack Calignione, and Travis Bonzana, Christopher Moore. The best of the best of the best of the best! All of them are in here. Plus some active players like Ellie De La Cruz, his last rookie card. Paul Skeen's last rookie card could be in here. And we'll see what we got on the other side. Let's get started. All right, so let's find out what we got in here. 4 chrome autographs, 2 boxes. Like I said, it has all of the players from all of the Bowman products. Not Blowman. Well, we'll see. Bowman products in here, plus the active players. 2 boxes, 4 autographs per, and getting close to flagship coming out. Jose Ramirez, Joendry Vargas, Nick Gonzalez, and Joendry Vargas autograph right off the bat. We'll take it. And Walker Jenkins. Lots of the good prospects in here. The base only has 30 of the prospect cards, but there's a ton of autograph cards of the prospects and of some active players. Aaron Judge, Tyler Soderstrom. Baseball season starting up here soon. Like I said, Series 1 is coming out soon. Are you guys looking forward to that? Luis Robert, Kyle Teal. There's a nice Bobby Witt Jr. numbered to 150. One of the top active players in this product that we're looking for. See if we can't pull a Christian Moore. He was a big chase in Bowman Draft. See if we can't pull a like I said, that Jackson Churio. This will be his last rookie card produced this year. Showpiece Jackson Churio. That's a cool looking card with like the Jackson Pollock look on the back there. Emmanuel Clase. How are you guys feeling about your teams this year?
Not great.
I'm not super hyped about what the Pirates have done in the off season. They signed Spencer Horwitz, which has been their big signing. Bowman's best baller, Hagen Smith. Of course, he was in one of the top pitchers in Bowman Draft. There we go. Nice Leo Tavares. Of course, he's one of the top prospects that was in Bowman Chrome. If you didn't see our Bowman Chrome video, we actually pulled a nice Leo Tavares autograph. Numbered to, I forget what it was numbered to. 75 maybe. And he was the top chase in that product. We'll take that every day. We could get a nice note. No, I don't know what's wrong with my speech today. Walker Jenkins, of course, was in Bowman, first Bowman. Riley Austin. and shot by the kid. These were taken by Shohei Ohtani. Of course, he won the MVP. Taken by Ken Griffey Jr. Last year they did in Bowman's Best, they did the shot by the unit. Randy Johnson did the photographs for that. Nick Kurtz, of course, he was in Bowman draft. Colt Keith had a nice rookie season. There's a nice refractor of Adley Rushman and Jackson Holiday. What's Jackson Holiday going to do this year? You know, the hype train for him last year was so long, and then he didn't have a good year. But, you know, it's tough to be such a hyped rookie and so much expected of you, especially on a team that had World Series aspirations. The Jackson Holiday Fabled Phenoms. Very cool card there. I forget. Those are a little limited, I believe. I can't remember. I looked at the checklist earlier, but I forget what they were. A nice future All-Star. Davison de los Santos. Of course, that must be a minor league All-Star game there. Nice Arjun Namala, waiting for him to get his call up. And Brooks Lee. Brooks Lee played decent when he got called up this past year. Ethan Salas there on the back. Another Clase. Another Namala. Impact player, Ellie De La Cruz. That's a pretty cool looking die cut card there. I see our next autograph here behind it. Isaiah Drake for the Braves. We'll put him over here. And Ethan Salas. Still waiting for him to get called up. Of course, there with the Padres, I think they're expecting him to get called up this year. If not, make the 40-man on opening day. Another Jackson Holiday. George Lombard Jr. Tyler Soderstrom had a really nice rookie season. Basabe and another Luis Robert. Luis Robert in Chicago, wasting away. Should have come to Pittsburgh. They thought Jazz was actually going to come to Pittsburgh. There was rumors about it there towards the end of the season, and then they signed Brian Cruz, which didn't turn out great, or Brian De La Cruz. Kyle Manzardo, another Ethan Salas. There's our last autograph, George Lombard Jr. and Hunter Goodman to 150. We'll take that. Hunter Goodman had a decent rookie season there. I think hitting in Coors Field, of course, helps all the players, batting average wise and power wise. Last pack. Haven't seen a Paul Skeens yet. Maybe it's in the other box. There is a Dylan Cruz, Paul Skeens dual auto in here. Jack Caglianone.
Today, Junior.
What a tough name. I've heard it said. I've heard it spoken a number of Jack Caglianone. I think it's Caglianone. I don't know. Who am I? Another shot by the kid and Pete Crow Armstrong. If you didn't see our video, I forget what it was, update series maybe. We pulled a nice Pete Crow Armstrong autograph. Go back and take a look at it. And Evan Carter rookie. Evan Carter had an awesome postseason, 2 years ago. Of course, he didn't get a rookie card that year, so they gave him his rookie card this past year in Series 1. And he didn't play up to what everybody thought he was going to. At the beginning of the season, they were like, Evan Carter is odds-on favorite to win Rookie of the Year. But didn't happen. Of course, my boy Paul Skeens did win Rookie of the Year this year. Pink Hentz, Mason Wynn, good rookie for the Cardinals. Samuel Basseo for the Orioles, number 250. Nice card there. And Nick Kurtz. The A's, expecting big things from him. They've got a lot of young talent out there. Jacob Wilson and, of course, Tyler Soderstrom, Brent Rooker. He's not that old. Wyatt Langford. There we go. A nice Bryce Eldridge /99. I think they call that the green speckle. Very cool card. Here we go. A nice futures star, Aiden Miller for the Phillies. Nice rookie patch auto.
Oh, very nice.
/500. It's a little bit thicker stock. I'll set him off to the side. I don't have my thicker top loaders handy right here. There's a Paul Skeens. Not numbered, but a very cool card. Colton Cowser. Of course, he was up there in the Rookie of the Year voting. Second in the AL. Nice Jordan Lawler. Refractor. And Zach Geloff, another good young A.
Take off, Angie.
The A's will be playing in Sacramento this year. Junior Caminero. Of course, they'll be playing. The Rays will be playing in the Yankees spring training facility this year because their field got destroyed by the hurricane. The roof got destroyed. What rookies are you guys looking forward to this year? Tell me what your team's gonna do this year. Tell me in the comments below. Leave a comment. Don't be lazy. Leave a comment. Another shot by the kid, Ethan Salas, and Jose Perdomo. How's the weather where you guys are at? Wherever you're at. Here in Western Maryland, not great. Roman Anthony, when's he getting called up? They need to call him up. It's been forever. Pete Crow Armstrong and Tyler Fitzgerald autograph. Pretty nice autograph, Tyler Fitzgerald. Hunter Goodman has a nice autograph too. Isaiah Drake, not too good. How about Leo? Nah, not too bad. It's not like Jackson Merrill. Jackson Merrill's autograph looks like I don't know. It started out good. Like his of course his first isn't him in Bowman. So his first autograph in Bowman, he had a nice autograph back then. I don't know what happened to him. Went to his head. That's why he didn't win Rookie of the Year. He started getting a big head. Blake Mitchell, and there he is, Jackson Merrill. I think the Padres will be good again. Of course, the Dodgers are going to be good again. Harry Ford, when's he getting called up? I've said it before with Cal Raleigh there in Seattle. Where are they going to play him? Unless they move Cal Raleigh to first base. Or I guess they could move Harry Ford to first base. It's like the Pirates catching position. There's our second autograph. Adrian Santana. And another Jose Ramirez. The Pirates catching position. Everybody, was hyped about Henry Davis, and he came up and didn't play well. Now they've got Endy Rodriguez, who I think is probably a better hitter and a better catcher than Henry Davis. But they've got Joey Bart, who played really well last year too. I think they need to move Joey Bart to first base. And if they're going to keep Henry Davis, he needs to get more time in the outfield. He's got a good arm, but I think Endy's just a better all-around catcher. Corey Seager, Dylan Cruz, Colt Emerson, and another Leo Taveras. The Colt Emerson was the refractor there. Victor Scott, Tyler Black, Imanaga, there, Colt Emerson autograph there. Doesn't have a good autograph either. And Johan Rojas. I don't know, was that our fourth autograph out of there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3.
7, 8. Yeah, I think we've got all of our autographs. Maybe we'll beat the odds here and pull another one. Or pull like a low numbered card here. Mookie Betts, Nick Lofton, Bo Bichette. Is Bo Bichette going to bounce back and have a decent season? We'll see. Last pack, hit that thumbs up and subscribe. Last I looked, we were one away from 500 subscribers. You could be the 500 subscriber. Maybe we'll do a giveaway. We'll see. Cedene Raphael. If you didn't see the Brooklyn collection, we pulled a 101 of Cedene Raphael. Go back and look at those. What else are you doing? It's snowing outside. Luis Mato, Nolan Shonwell, and Noel V. Marte. I'm going to organize these up. I'll fast forward through this. See what I missed in here. I must have missed a numbered card. Alright, I actually missed 3 numbered cards. The Nick Gonzalez to 199. The Aaron Judge to 75. Of course, he won the NL MVP. And a Jordan Lawler to 299. If you didn't see our Sapphire video, we pulled an awesome Jordan Lawler out of there. We got the Isaiah Drake, Joe Endry Vargas, Colt Emerson, Adrian Santana, nice low numbered Hunter Goodman to 150, the Bobby Witt to 150, the Fitzgerald, Jackson Churio, the Bryce Eldridge to 99, Baseo to 250, the nice Leo Taveras auto, and the Aiden Miller, who's going to be a awesome rookie for the Phillies, to 500, the patch auto. Very happy with that. We'll get that in a sleeve and in a top loader. Hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe, and thanks for watching. If you didn't see the last video, we did Brooklyn collection, and we found a 101. Go back and watch that. I'll leave the link right down here. Hit the thumbs up.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained?
Hit the subscribe. And we'll see you next time.